Hello everyone. So today in this video I am going to share an amazing and interesting recipe of Gud Til Chikki with chocolate twist. So let's take a look at the recipe. First of all, take half cup of the dark compound and 1/4 cup of the white compound. Now boil some water in a saucepan and put a glass bowl on it and mix the chocolate till it melts. Mix it nicely. So now the chocolate has melted, keep it aside, and in the same way melt the white compound also. So the white chocolate has also melted. Now take a pan, in this add 1 cup of the jaggery. Now mix it till it turns golden brown in color. It will take around 6 to 7 minutes. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my videos, and also you can comment in the comment box given below. So you can see slowly the color of the jaggery is changing. So now at this stage, switch off the gas. And you can check it by putting some drops of the jaggery in cold water, and if it's brittle then the syrup is ready. Then add 1 cup of the roasted sesame seeds and quickly mix it nicely. You have to do it very fast at this stage. And now remove it from the pan and place it on a greased platform, or you can place it on a butter paper also. Now take a rolling pin and flatten it with the help of a rolling pin. Don't make it too thick nor too thin. And now pour all the dark chocolate over the chikki. And spread it with the help of the palette knife or with the help of a spoon. Spread it evenly all over the chikki. And now drizzle some white chocolate over the dark chocolate by making lines like this. Now take a toothpick and make a design from upward to downward and from downward to upward, so that you will get a beautiful design on the chikki. And now make pieces out of it with the help of a knife. All this process you have to do very quickly. Let the chocolate set completely and then you can serve the chikki. So if you like my video, then give it a thumbs up and also share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. So I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.